pockets. But are we carrying knowledge or just convenience? Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all. First of all, I express my heartfelt gratitude toward Mrs. Sujata ma'am for encouraging me up to this extent that today I am standing before you to share my views on the topic technology. Or, if I say more particularly, is technology shaping us or disrupting us? Now, imagine you are at your home doing your homework. You don't understand a question, and within seconds, you grab your phone to search for the answer. We have all done it, right? But have you ever thought by doing this, are we learning something new or just carrying information? Technology is one of the most powerful tools ever created. With just few taps, we can learn a new language, we can learn new skills, we can connect with the people around the world, or we can research any topic instantly, and many more. Technology has become a crucial part in our daily life. With the AI tools, we have access to an ocean of knowledge. During COVID-19 pandemic, when the whole world was locked in their homes, it was the technology that saved many aspects of our life. Offices went into virtual meetings. Offices went into virtual meetings. People connected with their family members via technology that were far away from them. Students were Students were able to continue their studies because of technology. It is unimaginable that if humans had not developed technology up to this level, a whole generation would have been deprived of education. But in many ways, technology is making us smarter than before. But knowledge is not the same as thinking. Because information is too easy to access, we sometimes stop thinking deeply. Instead of memorizing formulas, we Google them. Instead of analyzing problems, we go for the quick answers. Some social media platforms like Insta and YouTube trains our brain to expect fast entertainment, reducing our patience level. Nowadays, when both parents are working and they are time deficient, they just give their children smartphones even in early age. And because of this new generation is more habitual to technology than any generation before. Children choose to spend their time over digital tools like smartphones, video games, etc. instead of playing outside. This is a major reason why obesity has become a major issue today. Humans are trying to develop AI. Many robots have been already created. While half of the population is celebrating the development of technology, remaining half is worried about its pessimistic effect. Some people think that some people think that the development in AI will snatch jobs from many people. It is also assumed that if AI develops too much that it can think by its own, a crisis will occur. AI will take over the whole world and humans will exist no more. Technology makes life easier, but growth comes from effort. So we have to think that if we are becoming more intelligent or just more dependent. The truth is, it depends on us. Technology is not itself a problem. It is merely a tool created for convenience. A calculator can solve math problems, but it cannot teach you how to think logically. Internet can provide you information, but it cannot replace curiosity and critical thinking. If we let technology think for us, we become passive. But if we use it to challenge ourselves, expand our understanding, it becomes the greatest learning tool ever created. So, technology is not making us smarter or lazier. Our habits are. With one tap, we can learn anything. With one scroll, we can waste hours. The question is, which one are we choosing? Technology can either build your mind or replace it. The choice is yours. Thank you.